Hi, I'm Whitney Port, and I'm partnering with Lactaid Milk. I'm having a bunch of friends over tonight, so I thought I'd make one of my favorite dishes. It's creamy lemon thyme chicken with wild rice. So excited to show you guys how to make it. First, let's make the rice. Just like that, with a little bit of water. So while the rice is cooking, I'm gonna start on the chicken. First, season the chicken with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add Lactaid 2% milk. My husband is lactose intolerant, so when I'm making recipes like this that call for milk, I can use Lactaid that's real milk without the lactose, and he won't feel uncomfortable after. Now add the chicken to the milk. The chicken should be slightly submerged in the milk. Add the thyme, sage, and garlic. Slowly cooking the chicken in the milk is going to make it really, really tender, and the chicken will be infused with all the herbs. All right, so now I'm gonna zest some lemon. Lemon zest adds a bright, fresh flavor. I'm gonna simmer the chicken in the milk for 12 minutes. Now, remove the chicken and let it rest. So now I'm gonna make the sauce. In a small bowl, stir together tahini and flour. All right, so now I'm pouring back into the pan. I'm whisking this together, and then while it thickens, I'm gonna slice the chicken. My husband and I love hosting, so while he's usually putting the finishing touches on the meal, I love to set the table and create the ambiance. Looks like the sauce is done, so now it's time to plate the dish. I'm gonna serve this family style, so I'm gonna plate this on one big platter for everyone to eat from. I'm starting with the rice, and then adding the chicken and top with the sauce. Just a little drizzle, you don't wanna make it too soupy. Garnish with lemon and thyme, just to make it pretty. When I'm making a dish with lemons, I'll just buy extra lemons at the market, and for a centerpiece, lay them just in the center, and they add a little bit of something special to your centerpiece. This looks so good. My friends are gonna love it. My husband's really gonna love it. We're gonna milk the moments at our dinner party.